YouTube, it's Faye, and for today's video I've got this little Jeep behind me that is stuck in drive. This is probably like super stressful for any of y'all that are watching this video right now and having this happen, so don't worry, for a lot of you it will be a super simple fix. So let me show you how to handle this and what the cause is. So in most cases, what happens is the little plastic inside, like this little shifter bushing right here, wears out on the automatic transmission. This is such a crappy design. And of course you can't buy just the plastic, you have to buy the whole thing. But if you're stuck somewhere on the side of the road or whatever, you can actually just like reach up and, okay, be really careful because his exhaust is right there and I just burned myself. But you can reach up and actually, you can just move this part around. I'm at a weird angle. Into whatever gear you want. Obviously do this when the engine is off so that you don't put yourself in danger, but all the way back is park, and then you'll be able to start up the vehicle again. You can also, if you need to get somewhere and you know you're in a pinch, yes, you can zip tie this on. Or let's say you're like out four-wheeling or something and you need to get back and it's like an emergency situation, yet somehow you have cell reception so you can watch this YouTube video. Here is a good rednecky backwoodsy way. I've got one big zip tie going around the entire situation, and then I've got four little ones just sort of holding that major zip tie onto the shaft of the cable there. So I don't know, this may last longer than the bushing does, but either way, for my customer, I'm going to repair it the correct way. We just need to get her home first. There you can see my zip ties have held up really well. It's been about a week since I performed that temporary repair so the customer could drive around and be mobile while we waited for the shipment from Amazon. So here's the old one, and here's the new one, and here's the kit. It comes with this little installation tool. So I'm going to place the notched end of the bushing into the retainer, and then it says push the bushing into the cable end so the notched end faces the shift lever. So this part has to face the shift lever. Okay, so now it's in with that little tool installed. So I pulled that little installation tool out and there's the notched end. And just like they say, the notched end is going to go onto the shift lever. And there we go. Done! Okay, and now we test. And for this, I just recommend going through all the gears a million times. You know, and I'm not going to bore you with this, but basically, like, if it holds going through a million times, it's probably fine. And that bushing just has to sit flush like I showed you in the video. And if that's the case, I'm sure you're good to go. All right, I hope this video helped y'all. And if you enjoyed it, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and stuff. And leave a comment or something positive. All right, see y'all next time. Bye!